multiple. The advantage we have over them is we have experienced multiple languages, but to them, they only could speak one language, which is English. So we speak Yoruba, and some of us may even speak more than Yoruba. Then we speak English. So it will be easy for you to train your train your tongue. But for them, they only could speak English. So it is very challenging. So the Qaf, I warned you earlier that it's going to tough. But Alhamdulillah, you pronounce this well. You only need to learn how to pronounce this and this. All right. So I want you to watch the video. I want you to watch the video, inshallah. Let me pronounce it again. This time around, don't repeat after me. Just focus. I'll pronounce these 10 times, these 10 times, and these 10 times. Then after that, we'll move on to the kaf. Qa, 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 qa. Then with kasra, qi, 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 qi. With dhamma, qu, 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 qu. Alhamdulillah. So I want you to always listen to that and try to pronounce it. Then moving on to kaf. They both belong to the same articulation point. But this comes right after the letter qaf. Now, let us listen to its pronunciation. Ka, 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 ka. Is different from kha, kha, kha. This is ka, 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 ka. And this is key, 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 not he, he, he. This is key, key. Just like when you are pronouncing the word key, kokoro, key, 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 key. And this is cool, cool, cool. This is so easy. It is the same as the letter K. Okay, it is the same as letter K. Cool, 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 cool. Key, key, key. Ka, 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 ka. But if you pay attention, you will see that the furthermost, the upper part of the tongue is rising. It's as if you are lifting it to touch the palate. Ka, 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 ka. Key, key. You feel it much if you pronounce ka. But for key, subhanallah, the light is gone.
Yeah.
I believe you can still see me like this. Ka.
I see you.
Now, ka, key, 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 cool, cool, cool. Just remember, this sounds just like the letter K, okay? But this doesn't have a counterpart. This sounds like the letter K, just like the letter K, okay? Can you try the calf?
Ha, ha, ha,
Don't forget,
ha,
you are pronouncing K.
ha, ha.
So your tongue has been affected by the cough and the ha. Don't be afraid. This is just the letter K. Pronounce it just the way you pronounce the K, and that's all.
Ha, ha,
Yes, that is
ha.
correct.
Key,
Yes.
key,
Mm-hmm.
cool, cool.
Exactly. So you got this right, but remember, this is being produced anytime you pronounce it from the same point where this is produced. Okay, only that this comes first and this stays at the back, or this comes next after this. So when two letters belong to the same point of articulation, they cannot possibly stay on the same spot. One will be at the front while the other one will sit right at its back. Okay, so that is the case with the letter Qaf and the letter Kaf. Qa, qa, ka, ka, qa, ka, qa, ka, qa, ka. Can you try to feel it, please? Qa, since you can pronounce this. Qa, ka.
Ha, 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 ha,
I, I,
ha.
I can't feel the K here. Let me feel the K.
Oh,
Okay,
okay. Sorry. Ka, ka, ka,
qa, qa, qa.
ka,
No,
ka,
pronouncing kha. Qa, 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 qa.
ka, ka,
Mm-hmm.
ka,
Oh yeah.
ka, ka, ka,
Now, I want you to
ka,
pronounce it and tell me what you felt.
ka, 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 ka,
No.
ka.
Now you're pronouncing
Yeah.
qa,
Ka, ka, ka,
qa.
ka. They are from the same point.
Yes, exactly. They are from the same point.
Ka, ka.
Now you're pronouncing kha. This is what you're pronouncing now. Qa.
No, I'm not, how do you say, I'm not trying to, ka, ka. I didn't stress my, how do you,
This kha belongs to the throat.
yeah.
See,
This one doesn't, this one is like around ear.
yes.
Like,
Yes. It's not
ka, ka,
qa, 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 qa,
ka,
qa, 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 qa.
ka, 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 ka,
Yes.
ka, ka,
Qa,
ka,
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 qa, ka,
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 qa, ka, qa, ka, qa.
ka, ka.
Okay. Qa, ka, qa, ka, qa, ka. It's good that we are recording it. So just go back to it, inshallah. I believe you get it. So the cough is easier. The cough is easier. You could pronounce it, but now, since we've had two similar letters, so they will be a little confusing. Qa, 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 ka, ka, ka. Just remember, this is K, but this doesn't sound like any letter. Qa, ka, qa, 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 ka, ka, ka.
Can I please take a 1 minute break?
All right.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll be back.
So, Alhamdulillah. So, you've got a lot to practice on this week, inshallah. The letter Qaf and the letter Kaf. Remember at the beginning I said, if you have not perfected a particular letter and we move on to another letter, it will be confusing. But it's good that Alhamdulillah you've really worked on all this. So all you need to do now is to identify the difference. Identify the difference. I want you to work on this. Work on this. This shouldn't give you much trouble, but the letter Qaf is the only letter you are going to work on. Then after that, I will do some tests for you. So I'll prepare the test. So, and you will try to identify, though we're not going to stop after this, inshallah, we move on to our memorization and we'll, continue with our practice on that, inshallah. If there's any issue, we'll try to solve our issue, inshallah. Okay, but practice, work on the letter Qaf. Work on the letter Qaf. Okay, inshallah.